Now, in conditional sentences where an outcome is dependent on some condition, we can frame sentences with the help of both simple present tense and simple future tense. We can mention the dependent clause describing the condition with the help of simple present tense and the outcome in simple future tense. Have a look at some examples. If the rain doesn't stop, we'll cancel the trip. If you work hard, you will score better marks. We will not leave the office until the project is over. We will start the meeting as soon as the board of directors arrives. Words like when, after, before, as soon as, and until are conjunctions denoting time. These are normally used to describe condition in simple present tense.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Enliven English. Download the app now.